So today we're looking at the Chapter 15 practice test. And the first two questions say, state if each scenario involves a permutation or a combination. Then find the number of possibilities. So for number 1, it says a group of 30 people are going to run a race. The top 3 runners earn gold, silver, and bronze. This one's a permutation. And so you're going to do 30p30 and just type it in your calculator and you'll get 24,360. And here's how you type it in your calculator. You want to type in the 30 first, probability button. First one, hit enter, and then 3, hit enter, and you'll get 24,360. All right, so obviously number 2 is a combination. So you're going to do the 11 countries. They're going to visit 8, and it doesn't really matter what order. So again, you can type it in your calculator, type the 11, go to the probability button, arrow over to the combinations, select it, and then 8 countries, hit equals. You should get 165. All right. Number 3. This is all calculator work, so you want 14 permutations of 5. You can either use the calculator or the formula. I find it easier to do the calculator, but if you want to plug it in the formula, here's what it's going to look like. So let me show you how to type that one in the calculator. You're going to do 14, hit the probability button, arrow over to the factorial, and then you're going to divide it by 14 minus 5, which is 9 factorial. And you get the same answer that way as typing it in with the permutation button. Okay? Same thing with number 4. And jumping down to the last 2 on this page. So find the number of unique permutations of the letters in each word. So for formulate, there are 9 different letters. None of them repeat. So you just do 9 factorial, type it in the calculator. Same thing with mandible. All different letters, none of them repeat. So it's 8 factorial. And you get 40,320.